you do it. You do it.
When I had the Toyota, it was all stock. And we came down here and we ran, we were running Poison Spider into Golden Spike across and come down Gold Bar Rim. And the truck was running kind of iffy in the morning. I don't know why, but it was having issues. And then we get up onto Poison Spider and it was having trouble climbing the hills. We're going across Golden Spike and we get to, what is that, the launching pad. And we drop down into that and then you come up and it would not climb the hill coming out. And I was like stuck in the bottom. I'm like, oh crap. So I back up and it backs up fine. So you gotta be kidding me. So I back up, pull up there and it dies. What it was is it's the plenum in the air breather that those Toyotas have.
Yeah.
It'll fall forward. It's supposed to be vacuum operated, but it'll fall and cut off the flow of air to the motor. Yeah. And it'll sputter out. So I turned around and backed up the launching pad. So fine. I finished that entire trail in reverse. Like we'd run it where we could, but then we got to like the Golden Crack and we're going through that and I've got pictures of me going through it in my Toyota with the reverse lights on. And I tell everybody, great. I wasn't running the trail backwards. I was backing through it.
Yep, he's turning around. I called it. He's gonna back up it. Yep. Yep, I got him. But you get him from over there. This has got to be the only tow truck in the world that can back up Hell's Gate. Or at least we're about to see if it can. To show off, we're going to turn around on the side of a snowy rock.